Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sarkar Jala Kalatung Yo Chief Secretary ka Jalao ba DP Wahlang IAS kumu Chairperson jong Meghalaya State Food Commission but yaw officer balasong thait u Dr. Msfc Tengkan kumu dekhot jonggane ka commission. Yagani lapan benaro Menteri Rangba u Konrad ke Sangma hadian balawai ke jingalang jongga kanon Menteri Sarkar. U Menteri Rangba u lapan tip balapha ya ka kerteng jongine gi arngut syaka kanon Menteri Sarkar bat lapdiang yaki.
The agenda for the selection of chairperson and a member for the Meghalaya State Food Commission, and there was a recommendation that has come from the committee. There was a committee that was set up, and this committee has proposed the name of Shri DP Wahlang IAS to be appointed as chairperson post his superannuation, as chairperson of the Food Commission, State Food Commission, and Dr. Msfc Tengkan, again retired officer, as member of the Meghalaya State Food Commission. So these two names were proposed, and the cabinet today has accepted both the proposals.